Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing a matrix example. In this example, I will do simple matrix operation, like adding two matrices together. So let's do that. Let's create an integer matrix, we'll call it matrix 1, and we'll just say that it's a 2 by 2 matrix. To keep it simple, we'll just say 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then we'll say that we have another integer matrix, matrix 2, which has 5, 6, and 7, 8. So those are our two matrices. Now, for matrix addition, we'll just add it across. So let's represent this mathematically so we can see it better. We have 1, 2, and 3, 4. And in our second matrix, we have 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So our resulting matrix should be 1 plus 5 because that's the first in each one, which will give us 6, and then 6 plus 2, 8, and then we have 3 plus 7, which is 10, and then 4 plus 8, which is 12. So our matrix should look like this, 6, 8, 10, 12. So let's add our matrices that we have, now that we know what it should look like. So we can only add matrices that are the same dimensions. So we can create a new matrix called answer. We'll say int matrix answer equals, and we can just say it's a new int, which is 2 and 2 because our original matrices were 2 by 2. So then we can just add up the matrices, and since both of them have the same boundaries, since they're both 2 by 2, we can do this all in a double loop. So for int I equals 0, I less than matrix 1 dot length. I could have chosen matrix 1 or matrix 2. It doesn't really matter in this case since they're both the same for the length. And same thing for the inner loop. For int j equals 0, j less than matrix 1 dot matrix 1 at I dot length, and then j plus plus. So we're looping through the matrix now, and we can start adding them up and putting them into answer. So answer at I, j will equal matrix 1 at I, j plus matrix 2 at I, j. So what does this do? We have answer, which is what we want to put our answer in, and I and j is just looping through 1, 2, 3, 4 for the matrix 1 at ij, and these are all ij's, so it's all in the same location in each of these places. So the matrix 1 at ij is going to be 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then matrix 2 is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. So at 0, 0, we're going to have 1 and 5 because these are both 0, 0 of their, these are both 0, 0 in their own matrix, and then we have 0, 1 and 0, 1 in their own matrix. And then we have 1, 0, 1, 0 in their own matrix, and 1, 1, 1, 1 in their own matrix. And same thing, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So answer should have the correct answer. And then we can print this by doing a toString or even a deep toString. Since this array is small, let's use deep toString. So system.out.printf %s, and I'll write arrays.deep toString of answer, and it autofills answer in for us. And we should get 6, 8, 10, 12 as our answer when we run it. And yep, we get 6, 8, 10, 12. And these brackets tell us that the first two are 6, 8, and then the second two are 10, 12.